Welcome back to Deluxe Guitar Songs. Today we're going to be going over Where the Skies Are Blue by the Lumineers with the capo on the 2nd fret. So a couple chords that we're going to be playing today are the G. Okay. That's your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string and your pinky finger and your ring finger on the high E and B string. Strum all strings. We're going to play A minor. Bottom 4 strings, 2, 2, 1, so 2, 2 on 4, 3, 1 on the B string, and open on the low E. Playing a standard D. So that's going to be 2 on the low E, 3 on the ring finger on the B string, and 2 on the G string, bottom 3 strings. We're also going to be playing the B minor, so you're going to be barring across that 2nd fret. And then you're from the 5th string down, and then you're going to put your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your ring finger and your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the G and the D string. That's your B minor. You got an E minor. It's the 2nd fret on the middle finger and the ring finger on the 5th and the 4th strings. A and the D string. Strum all the strings. Have your A, and that you could bar this. This is a hard chord for beginners. You know, you could use your pinky, ring, and middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th or 2nd string. Strum from the 5th down, or you could bar whatever is most comfortable for you. We have a C. So you can play your C like this in this song. You know, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th string, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, open on the 3rd, and index finger on the 1st fret of the B string. You play it like that, or if you want, you could kind of play it like that right there. It's still the same 3rd and 2nd right there. You know, 3rd fret on the 5th string and 2nd fret on the 4th string, and then you could leave that, you know, 3rd fret on the high E. Because later on you could play that G like that and go like that on the bridge. That's later on in the song though. So I'll leave that up to you, what you're most comfortable with. So the strumming pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down. And then D7 is the only other chord. That's the bottom 4 strings, open on the 4th, 2nd fret on the 3rd, 1st fret on the 2nd string, and the 2nd fret on the high E string, 1st string. That's your intro right there. It's a G. A minor. Back to that G. To the D. And then the verse. It goes from a G, A minor, G, A minor, B minor, E minor, A, C, D, G, D7. So A minor, G, A minor. All right, so the verse is going to play G. To G. It goes into a B minor, E minor, A minor, or I'm sorry, A. C, D, D7 on the end, it's best to just start off with an upstroke. So the second verse is the same as the first verse, except you don't go into that D7, you go into the bridge. That's when it's playing a C. And this is when I said you could play it like this. It's not hard for me to switch back and forth, but it's easier to just probably play it like this. And they kind of throw these little chords in there, like a D and an E minor, so let's try this again. Let's try that one more time and I'll name the chords. So it's C, G, D, C, G, E minor, C, D, D. Or you can play it like this. C, Here's how the end of the song goes. Here's how the end of the song goes. So the A7's just 2nd fret on the 4th string, open on the 3rd and 2nd fret on the B string, and you're strumming the bottom 5. So let's hit that one more time. So that G, So that's the whole song today. I'm playing through this Gibson Les Paul Studio into my Vox, just on a nice clean channel, you know, no pedals in between this and the guitar. It sounds great. I hope you enjoyed this song. It was requested by one of the subscribers, so just a couple days ago. So like I said, send me those requests. I'll pump them out as soon as I get them, probably within the week. And I look forward to bringing you more beautiful songs. Have a good day.